This is Johnston, the hands-on lab 9.1, enabling the Ospf process. So we're going to go into lab A right here, do configure terminal, and we're going to do router Ospf 100. And then we're going to do Control Z, get us out of that mode. Then we'll go to lab B, we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to do configure terminal, and we're going to do router Ospf 101. And Control Z, get out of that one. And on this router, we're going to configure terminal, router Ospf 102, and then Control Z, and get out of that one. Alright, now we're going to do hands-on lab 9.2, configuring Ospf interfaces. So we're going to go back to router lab A, and this one we're going to do configure terminal, and then we're going to do router Ospf 100. Then we'll be doing network 172.16.10.1 with the default IP address here of 000 and basically our backbone area 0. And then we're going to do 20 right here with our default route there, and then Control Z. And then now we're going to go to lab B, configure terminal, router Ospf 101, network 172.16.20.2, their default route, and area 0. And we're going to do the same thing but with a 30. Oops. Here we go. And we'll do this with the 30. It's going to be a 30.1. Their default route. Then we're going to do Control Z. Now we're going to go to router C, or lab C router, configure terminal, router Ospf 102, with network 172.16.30.2 with our default route, and area 0. And we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do it with 40.1 with our default route. And then I'm going to do Control Z and get out of that. Now let's we're going to be doing hands-on lab 9.3, verifying the Ospf operation to make sure it works. So now we're going to go to lab A, and in here we're going to do show IP Ospf neighbor, and it does show our neighbor, state full, and it shows our next hop address right there through our serial interface 000. And then now we're going to also do show IP route, and basically so our connected interface right there shows each one connected. It's our administrative distance right there, and it shows the duration of how long it's been up. So let's go ahead and we'll do the show IP protocols. You see it shows administrative distance again, verifying that. And shows that each is up. And maximum paths of 4, which looks about the same. Like even RIP does a maximum path of 4 for diversion 1. And let's see, I think that covers it. The router ID there. It does show it's Ospf 100 right here, and it does show O right there for that. And let's go on to our next command here. So show IP Ospf. It shows right here through this interface right there, which is that one. So it's going out of there to the next router. And it's going to our backbone. These are actually all 3 the backbone. These are all area 0. And we basically don't have any authentication or any encryption or anything like that right now. It's just a basic Ospf network. And that pretty much covers it right here. Trying to see if there's anything else special in here, but it doesn't look like there's too much else special within our report there. And show IP Ospf interface F0/0. Oh, on ours it won't be interface fast internet. We got gigabit on ours. So here we go. And it does show area 0 right there, and it's going into our interface right here, and I did it as a /30, which gives you 2 valid hosts. So obviously one for here, one for here is what I was thinking when I was making it. And this is actually that one right there. Just wanted to clarify that. And it's basically the same thing on the other side too. I did it out of the router because everything's through the routers right now. And so we got our hello packet right here. That should be every 10 seconds, every 40 seconds, retransmit every 5 seconds. And see, it says it's due right here. So every time we do that, it'll show a different time right there. And it should do it within every 10 seconds. Alright, and then let's see if there's anything else that's important on here to review. So we got a delay of 1 second. I think that pretty much covers everything on that. And to broadcast. And I believe that's it.